Finextra. I'm Hannah Wallace and we're here at Money 2020 in Amsterdam. Joining me now is Nigel Verdon, CEO and co-founder of Railsbank. Nigel, hello.
Hi Hannah, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How have you enjoyed the event so far?
It's been fantastic for us. I think we lucked out with the stand placing and we've been busy every minute of the day. I think we had 15 minutes off on Monday, 15 minutes off yesterday, and so it just calming down. So it's been a fantastic event for us.
So Nigel, setting the scene, what do you think banking is going to look like in 2020?
So banking, we think, is going to shift to be focused around the customer rather than at the moment banking's focused around themselves. And there's a great white paper just out at the moment by QED investors called the Copernican moment of banking. Nicholas Copernicus was the guy who defined the universe goes around the sun and not the earth, and he was seen as a heretic at the moment. So hopefully I'm not being heretical. So what I mean by this, why is it customer-centric? Everybody says we are customer-centric. No, it means I as a customer don't have to be forced to use a banking app. I can use WeChat, I can use anything else to access my banking facilities, and it becomes part of my life rather than forced to use a channel that I don't use all the time. And hence platforms like Railsbank are the enablers to make banking customer-centric and integrate all the different parts of your digital life to access your banking capabilities.
All right, and we've all heard the term emperor's new clothes. Do you think this applies to blockchain?
Possibly, yes. I think there is an awful lot of things using a technology searching for a problem rather than a problem that blockchain technology actually solves. Blockchain technology is fantastic for digital and distributed ledgers with federated approval of a transaction. Phenomenal for certain areas of the business. There's a little thing called a database that's been around for a number of years where lots of these blockchain ideas could be quite easily solved with. So while it's an emperor's new clothes for some things, for others it's highly applicable. For areas where a database could have just been used, it seems to be trying to sit on a technology trend rather than solving a customer problem trend.
And finally, I'd like to hear your thoughts about the relationship between compliance and fintech. Do you think compliance is going to break fintech?
I don't think compliance is going to break fintech, and I don't think fintech is going to break compliance. What it's got to do is work with compliance and take compliance to a different level. And banks are very struggling to within their own policies and procedures and technology in compliance, and the mindsets are very led by non-digital people to bring bank compliance up to the level that matches the fintech world. Fintech, I think, have got over the sort of bank bashing of the 2009, 2010, 2011 years to actually realise compliance is probably the most important component of working together with your banking partners, because fundamentally we all still rely on banks. And that's why in Railsbank, even though we're a banking platform, we're banking with compliance built in from the very beginning rather than sellotaped on at the end of it.
Of course, but it's certainly an exciting space to be looking out for. Nigel, this has been great. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
And thank you for watching.